Hi kids, welcome to My Toons with Jock. Today we're going to draw Fluttershy. Follow along with me. I'm going to use my marker. As usual, I'm going to draw the eyes first. So I'm going to start with the first eye and I'm just going to make sort of a circle there. And then here on top, I'm actually just going to bring the eyelid down and I'm going to bring it out. And I'm going to draw 3 eyelashes. There's the first eye. And then I'm going to do the outside of the eye like this, and then the pupil. So I'm just going to draw another line like so, and that's the pupil. And I'm going to draw a light reflection here, and on this corner I'll draw a smaller light reflection, and then I'm going to color it in. There we go. Then from the other side I'm going to draw the other eye. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a round eye like this, and I'm going to stop there, and I'm just going to continue with it a little, and I'm going to bring it back, and that's going to be the mouth. Great. And then the little nose as well. And then from here I'm going to draw a line down, and that's going to be the other eye, and then the inner eye, and then the pupil again. And I'm just going to color it in like that. And then don't forget the eyelashes. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 eyelashes on that side as well. And here I'm just going to make it a bit darker, the eye on the outside like so. Good. And then I'm just going to make another dark line on top there. And on this side I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to make the line a little bit thicker and a little bit thicker there on top as well. Good. And that's a beautiful little smile, and I'm just going to give it a little corner. Right, and then from here I'm going to actually just draw the bottom part of the face like so. Good. And then from here I'm just going to draw the neck. So I'm just going to draw a short line like that, and you can do the same as well. I'm going to make a mark here, and that's where the hair will begin, and I'm just going to bring it back. So I'm just going to make a line like this. Good. And then on top here I'm going to make an ear, so I'm going to just draw a line like so. You're with me? And then from here I'm going to draw another line back like so, and that would be the ear. And then here I'm going to actually just draw a little line like this, and I'm going to draw another line back like that, and that would be Fluttershy's ear. Good. Beautiful. And then from behind the ear, about here, I'm just going to draw a line down like this. And you can do the same. And we can connect the neck to the hairline there. And then from here, I'm just going to bring the hair all the way around to the bottom. I'm going to curl it around like this. And then I'm going to bring it back like so. And then I'm going to bring it back to the top. So you can follow along with me. So I'm going to bring it all the way back to there, to the top. Perfect. And then on this side, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to actually, I think what we can do, let's start here. And then we're going to draw the hair line like so. We're going to bring it down. You're with me. And we're going to make a little circle like that as well. And then from here, we're just going to bring the hair back. And you're going to connect it there. Perfect. And then this side of the hair, you're just going to make a line like so, and you're going to connect it like that. And then from here we're going to finish the face, so the forehead, just make it a round line back like that. I think that's absolutely beautiful. And then let's make a few lines for the hair. And there's a beautiful hair. Let's just do the back part of her hair. So I'm just going to make a line this, and this is going to be open air. All right, perfect. Then I would say let's start from here. So from here I'm going to draw the wing up, something like this. All right, and behind it we draw the other wing as well, and we're just going to do that. And then from here I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 lines. And then from here I'm just going to draw a line there, another line there, maybe another one there, and the last one there. Good. And then from here I can maybe just draw another round line like that. And that's the wings. And now the next thing I want to do is maybe draw the leg. So from here I'm just going to draw a line back. You're with me? I'm going to draw the leg. So we're going to draw the leg like this, and it's going to continue through there, and here I'm just going to actually draw the leg back. I'm going to draw it up. You're with me? Like so, like this, and maybe like this. So there's one leg, and then from here we can draw the other leg as well. So I'm just going to draw the leg down like so, like that, and I'm going to bring it up. So there's the two front legs. Perfect. And then from here I am just gonna draw a line up like that. Good. And from here I'm going to do the back leg. So I'm just going to make a little line like so, and then I'm just going to turn it slightly, and I'm going to bring it down about the same height as that. And then from here I'm just going to draw a straight line back, bring it up with a curve just a bit higher than this. Good. And then like so, and then we can draw the back part of Fluttershy, maybe like that. Good. And then maybe I think Fluttershy has maybe a butterfly tattoo. So there's a butterfly. Great. There's one butterfly, and maybe let's draw another small little butterfly. There we go. Good. Perfect. And then for the other leg, a line like this. You're going to bring it back. You're going to return it like that. And there's the other leg. Perfect. And now, of course, we need to make a tail. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw a more line like this. Good. You're with me? And then from here, I'm actually going to draw a line out. I'm going to draw it back, and I'm just going to make a curve like this. You're with me? Perfect. And then I'm going to go back again like this, like so, and you can make a little turn, and here you can make a little turn back like that. And maybe from here let's draw the tail. So you're going to draw a big curve like so, and you're going to connect it, and there's the tail. That's perfect. And now we can maybe make a few little lines. Perfect. And we're done. I think she looks absolutely beautiful. You can take your crayons or markers and color her in. She's going to look absolutely beautiful, I'm sure of that. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.